Dear students, in this session we discuss scalar triple product of vectors. Now, vector dot into the bracket of vector cross vector which gives a scalar quantity. See here, this is the given vector and cross product of two vectors, again it is a vector quantity, then their dot product is again a scalar quantity. But vector cross into the bracket of vector dot vector, see it is a scalar quantity, but the cross product of vector and scalar which is not possible here. Therefore, here we can consider the scalar triple product as vector dot into the bracket of vector cross vector, so that is equal to a scalar quantity. Then scalar triple product of A, B and C vectors is the dot product of vector A and B cross C. It is denoted by A dot B cross C, that also be taken as that is box product of A, B, C. See here, so this is only called as here box product of vectors A, B, C. See here we have three vectors enclosed within a square bracket. Consider vector A is equal to A1i plus A2j plus E3k, vector B is equal to B1i plus B2j plus B3k, vector C is equal to C1i plus C2j plus C3k. Then box product of ABC, it is equal to A dot B cross C, then which can be taken in the form of a determinant, that is A1, A2, A3 in the first row, B1, B2, B3 in the second row, C1, C2, C3 in the third row. So it is the formula for the scalar triple product of vectors A, B and C. What are the properties of box product or scalar triple product? Here one important note, the properties of box product is similar to properties of determinant. So now consider the first one, a single interchange of vectors in the box product changes the sign of its value. It means box product of ABC, which is always equal to minus into the box product of BAC. See here we have interchange the places of B and A vectors, B and A vectors here, so that a single interchange of vectors in box product changes the sign of its value. So now we can take one proof here. So this box product LHS can be taken as box product of ABC. So this will be equal to, that is A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now I am going to interchange R1 and R2. Then that determinant will be multiplied by minus sign, because there is only one single or one interchange of rows here, so that we have to multiply only by a single minus sign. Therefore, this will be equal to the determinant that third row contains same C1, C2, C3, but that interchanged rows here, that second row contains A1, A2, A3, first row contains B1, B2, B3. Therefore, it is equal to minus the box product of BAC will be equal to this previous determinant. Therefore, box product of ABC is equal to minus of box product of BAC. Then the second property, box product of ABC is equal to BCA is equal to again box product of CA. What it means? Cyclic change of vectors in box product does not change its value. Means here we can change the places in cyclic order, that is cyclic change of vectors. See here ABC or else we can take it as BCA, or else we can take it as CAB. All are equal box products. So now I am going to take the proof of this one. So box product of ABC is equal to the determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Then I am going to interchange R1, R2. That implies here minus into, that is the determinant contains third row as it is C1, C2, C3, second row A1, A2, A3, and first row B1, B2, B3, means interchanged first row and second row. So this determinant will be multiplied by the sign minus. So in the next step, again I am going to interchange R2 and R3 from this previous determinant. Then that determinant becomes that first row remains same, B1, B2, B3, and here we have interchanged that second row becomes C1, C2, C3, third row becomes A1, A2, A3. So that here minus sign is already in the previous step, and again we have to multiply another minus sign because here also we are interchanged the rows. Therefore, in the next step, minus into minus it becomes plus. So therefore, it will be B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, A1, A2, A3. Now this is equal to the box product of BCA. So students, ABC, so it is also equal to BCA. So this is the proof of this property. Similarly, we can prove that BCA is equal to that box product of CAB. Then the third property, M into A vector, B vector, C vector. So its box product, this will be equal to M into the box product of ABC. Means if any vector of box product is multiplied by a scalar, then its value is also multiplied by that scalar. Means here if that vector A is multiplied by the scalar M, then that whole box product ABC will be multiplied by the scalar M. Also we can take it as here M into A vector, N into B vector, and C vector is there. Then the box product of these three vectors means that A vector is multiplied by scalar M and B vector is multiplied by the scalar N. Then that box product ABC will be whole multiplied by Mn. So it is also similarly like this one only. So these are the some important properties. And the next property, if any two vectors in three vectors are same, then scalar triple product is 0. Here I will give that statement in the mathematical form. That is A dot B cross A, that will be equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, A1, A2, A3. This is equal to 0 because by using the property of determinants, if any two rows or columns are identical, then the determinant is equal to 0. Therefore, here R1 and R3 are same here. Therefore, that determinant is equal to 0. Then the next property, here A dot B cross C is a scalar quantity. So that whenever you are get the value of A dot B cross C, which is always in the form of a scalar quantity, which never be a vector quantity. And the next one, if any of two vectors are collinear, then scalar triple product is 0. Here I am going to give a proof. Let AB are collinear, then A is equal to lambda B. Here this is the property for collinearity of vectors. Therefore A is equal to lambda B here. Now I am going to consider scalar triple product A dot B cross A. Therefore here A can be replaced by lambda B, then that B cross A as it is, and in this scalar triple product, here two vectors are same, B and B here. Therefore by the previous property, this fourth property, if any two vectors among that three are same, then that whole scalar triple product is 0. Similarly, here we can take that lambda is a scalar and this scalar triple product is 0, then the final answer will be 0. Hence, if any of two vectors are collinear, then scalar triple product is 0. Now I am going to take a question. Find the value of p if the vector I minus 2j plus k, 2i minus 5j plus pk and 5i minus 9j plus 4k are coplanar. So whenever you are going to prove that three vectors are coplanar, then their box product should be equal to 0. So for that, here first I am going to consider that first vector A is equal to I minus 2j plus k and second vector B is equal to 2i minus 5j plus pk and the third vector C is equal to 5i minus 9j plus 4k. Now here already I have told you ABC are coplanar, means definitely that box product should be equal to 0. Now I am going to take this statement. So consider the three vectors and that box product will be in the form of a determinant. Therefore ABC dot product, box product will be taken in the form of determinant 1 minus 2 1, 2 minus 5 p and 5 minus 9 4. So this will be equal to 0 because it is already the given data, because all three vectors are coplanar. Now I am going to evaluate or simplify this determinant. Now that 1 into this determinant, that is minus 5 into 4 is minus 20 minus of minus 9p and minus of minus 2 into the bracket of 2 into 4 8 minus 5 into p means that is 5 plus 1 into the bracket of minus 18, because 2 into minus 9 is minus 18 minus of minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. So this whole equal to 0. Now for the simplification, minus 20 is multiplied with 1 and again minus of minus 9p means it becomes 9p and minus of minus 2 it becomes here plus 2 into the bracket of 8 minus 5p and again multiplying here minus 18 plus 25 is equal to 0. Now for the simplification, here minus 20 plus 9p plus 16 minus 10p minus 18 plus 25 is equal to 0. Now here make this simplification to get the value of p here. So here we have minus 10p and plus 9p. On subtraction, because both are having opposite sign, on subtraction we will get minus p and minus 20 minus 18 means it becomes here minus 39 and plus 16 is that is 20, minus 23. So that after this simplification, here we will get that is 3 minus p is equal to 0. So that p is equal to 3 here. So this is the required value of p for this given problem. So that the points A of 2 1 minus 1, B of 0 minus 1 0, C of 4 0 4 and capital D of 2 0 1 are coplanar. See students, here if we have 4 points, if you want to prove that all are coplanar, let us consider or find proving the points are coplanar. We have to prove that the box product of the vectors formed by the points is equal to 0. So first we will find the position vectors of the points here. The position vector of the point A, that will be taken as here vector A is equal to 2i plus j minus k. Position vector of point B will be equal to B vector is equal to 0i minus j plus 0 into k. Position vector of point C, that will be C vector is equal to 4i plus 0j plus 4k and the last portion vector of the point D is equal to small d vector is equal to 2i 0j plus 5k. So after finding all these portion vectors of the points, here AB is equal to B minus A because OB minus OA, so this will be equal to B by B minus A. So that we will be having 0i minus j plus 0k, it is the value of B here, minus into the bracket of 2i plus j minus k, and after the simplification we will be having minus 2i minus 2j plus k, because on the subtraction 0 minus 2 means it becomes minus 2i minus j and minus plus j, minus into plus j means it becomes minus j will be that is equal to minus 2j, and similarly 0k minus of minus k means plus k, therefore it will be plus k. Like that here we can find out AC also. AC will be C minus A. This will be equal to 4i plus 0j plus 4k minus into the bracket of 2i plus j minus k, and on subtraction, see here we have to subtract 4 minus 2, and similarly 0 minus 1 and 4 minus of minus 1 means 4 plus 1. So that here we will get 2i minus j plus 5k. And next AD is equal to D minus vector A, that will be equal to 2i plus 0j plus k minus into the bracket of vector A is 2i plus j minus k. After simplification we will get 0i minus j plus 2k. Now we have to prove that these three vectors are, we are getting here. Now the box product of these three vectors should be equal to 0. Then we can say that ABCD points are coplanar. Now we will find out the box product of AB, AC and AD. AB, AC, AD box product, that will be equal to minus 2 minus 2 1, minus 2 minus 2 1, and in the second row 2 minus 1 5, and in the third row 0 minus 1 2. Now we have to prove that this is equal to 0. So for the simplification, minus 2 into the bracket of minus 2 minus of minus 5 means it becomes plus 5, we will get in the next step. Again minus of minus 2 into the bracket of 2 into 2 means 4, minus 0 into 5 is 0, plus 1 into the bracket of minus 2 into 0. So in the next step, minus 2 into the bracket of minus 2 plus 5 plus 2 into the bracket of 4, and it becomes minus 2. Now for the simplification, again here minus 2 into the bracket of minus 2 plus 5 means it is here 3 into minus 2 means that is minus 6 plus 8 minus 2 is here. Now we will get minus 6 plus 8 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore here the box product is equal to 0. Then we can say that ABCD, the box product is equal to 0. Then we can say that points A, B, C and D are coplanar. Now we will have one more property, that is prove that A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, here this is the box product which is equal to 2 into the box product of ABC vector. To prove this property, I am going to consider that LHS part, that is box product of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Now we can express this box product by using the definition of scalar triple product A plus B dot into the bracket of B plus C cross C plus A. Now in the next step, we know that because the box product is equal to A dot B cross C. Then here we can write it A plus B dot, here within this bracket we have to multiply the vectors. Here. Therefore B cross C plus B cross A means separately we have to multiply the vectors here. Again, now from this C vector plus C cross C plus C cross A. Now observe students, the box product of this will be equal to this whole equation. This whole equation. Now here A plus B dot into the bracket of B cross C plus B cross A plus C cross C plus C cross A. Now observe students, this is here marked with red ink here. C cross A means it is cross product of similar vectors. Then this will be equal to 0. Then in the next step, A plus B dot into the bracket of B cross C plus B cross A plus C cross A remain same here. Now multiply A to all these 3 cross products, so that we will be having A dot B cross C plus A dot B cross A and plus A dot C cross A. Now multiply by B to all these terms. See here B dot B cross C and again B dot B cross A and the last one B dot C cross A. So this is the next step of this problem. So continuing this process here, this A dot into the bracket of B cross C means which is box product of ABC, and now here we have ABA. So this is box product of ABA plus again it is box product of ACA, and next it is box product of BBC, and it is the box product of BBA plus this is the dot product of BCA. So students, see here in these 4 box products we will be having here 2 similar vectors in each box product. See here in this first one, here also we have A, here also we have A, and this one in this here we have A, and in this box product this is B and it is also B here, and in this box product we have B and B. So that already I have told you the property, whenever we have any 2 of 3 vectors are same, then their box product will be equal to 0. Then we will be having the box product ABC plus that remaining is BCA. So already I have told you in the properties ABC which is also equal to BCA, because both are in the cyclic order. See here, this is the cyclic order, A, next B and next C, again next A, means these are in the cyclic order. So ABC which is also equal to BCA by using the property. So ABC plus this can be taken as again ABC only, then the sum will be 2 into the box product ABC. Therefore this is the proof of this given statement. So this is RHS, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, that is the box product of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, which will be equal to 2 into the box product of ABC. So here I am going to give some assignment question. Here write all these assignment questions and solve. Thank you.